Welcome to another episode of QuickBooks Minute, where I show you how to master anything in QuickBooks in less than a minute. So let's do it. Today we are talking about how to merge together vendors. So there's duplicate vendors in your QuickBooks file. Okay, so I am going to share my screen with you here so you can see my QuickBooks Online computer. What I want to do here is I want to go down to expenses and I want to go to vendors. When I get here, you will notice on my vendor list, there's a vendor called IRS and there's a vendor called United States Treasury. So what I basically need to do is just make this vendor that I want to merge the same as the other one. So I'm going to change the IRS one to United States Treasury. So I'm going to edit this. I'm going to say, hey, United States Treasury. You can copy this too if you don't type as fast as me. And then you just want to make sure also the display's name is the same. You will hit save. And when you save that, Quick will say, would you like to merge the two? Say yes. And that's how you actually merge vendors.